Hey there, got a new Princess Autoflyer right here. Looks like this one's a pretty good one. Let's get to it. Starting off, we've got this stick welder here for 98 bucks. I've got this exact same one. It works pretty good. Next up, got a off-brand shop vac, 5 gallons for 69 bucks. Got a 4-foot shop light here for 28 bucks. Got 16 feet of 4-gauge jumper cables for 14.44. Got this ammo crate here for $14.88. I'm using one of these for my little mini MIG welder. Fits pretty nice in there. For half the price of your soul, you can own this headlamp. Got a redneck hair dryer for 140 bucks. 5-inch bench vise for 45 bucks. 3-piece step drill bits for $6.88. Got a lunchbox here for one of those giant subs, 30 bucks. Got a tank top propane heater here for 40 bucks. Little Peltier powered stove fan here for 70 bucks. Snowmobile dolly set for 45 bucks. Looks like our old friend's still being sold. Need power cord? They've got power cord. Got a 12 outlet power bar right here. Normally I'd wait for this to go to 20 bucks, but it's not a bad price at 25. If you got an older house, I'd recommend you buy one of these just to double check the wiring's okay. Got plenty of extension cords on sale as well. Got a 10-foot 16.3 one here for 9 bucks. And a 100-foot 14.3 for 65 bucks here. And quite a few in between. Got some tarps here. 6x8 for $3.99. Going up to 30 by 50 feet for 100 bucks. For only 80 bucks, you can do Smokey and the Bandit cosplay. Got a 6,000 psi grease gun here for 32 bucks. 20 kilos of de-icer for only 15 bucks. Got a color inspection camera here for 80 bucks. 10-foot LED light strip with a remote, $8.88. Never seen something like this here before, but massage chair, 1,700 bucks. 6.5 feet of Wi-Fi enabled LED strips here for $8.88. 25 feet of half-inch Velcro tape, $7.77. Infrared thermometer for $28.88. Steering wheel lock plate remover, $4.88. Got 8 pairs of beer themed socks here for 8 bucks. 15,000 watt generator here for 2,300 bucks. 199 piece crimper kit for 18 bucks. And that brings us to the end of this flyer. Stay warm and stay safe, folks. See ya.